Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying compatibility, iOS 16 or later and macOS Ventura or later. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID on both devices and enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and handoff. Position your iPhone in a stable mount, then unlock it so continuity camera can activate. Open FaceTime on your Mac now. This is the first actionable step. Don't waste time toggling unrelated settings. Make sure the iPhone screen is on and awake, because FaceTime looks for an available camera source immediately. Once FaceTime is open, select the camera menu and choose your iPhone as the camera source. You should see live video replace the Mac camera feed. If the iPhone prompts for camera or microphone access, tap Allow. This grants FaceTime the stream it needs. Make sure to open Control Center on the iPhone to enable Center Stage, Portrait, or Desk View for the view you want. If the option doesn't appear, recheck handoff and that both devices are on the same network. Then switch camera source again. To finish, either end the FaceTime call or switch the camera menu back to your Mac's built-in camera. The iPhone will stop streaming automatically. If the iPhone drops connection, restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and then reconnect. Often this resolves transient issues. If problems persist, reboot both devices, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and confirm you have the latest Mac OS and iOS updates. One key troubleshooting tip: a locked iPhone or disabled handoff is the most common cause of failed continuity camera connections.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.